Hey everyone, how you doing today? Just got back from a motorbike ride, so feeling nice and relaxed. Found a beautiful place overlooking a little creek down at Redland Bay. Anyway, had some lunch and headed on back. So I just thought I'd do a quick little video. I was listening to Laurie Ladd this morning and she was describing what's going on the planet as we're evolving into this new reality and we're owning those parts of ourselves where we've had anxiety, where we've had fear, where we've had depression and everything. Things just don't matter in the same way they did 2 years ago. We're looking at freedom differently. We're looking at body sovereignty differently. We're looking at our ability and our rights within our countries and where we sit and what our beliefs are and what we're willing to move forward with as we navigate through this bizarre current process that is this world of ours. So, and I know everyone in different countries are going through different things, but here in Australia, lots of freedom marches yesterday. It was great seeing people all around Australia being standing in solidarity with those who have been really, really doing it tough, and all the mandates, the dates coming to heads and the politicians standing up and saying, wow, Australia, you're amazing, you've just stood forward. They're not paying attention to the fact that people are doing things, they're being injured, they're being damaged, and they're not being listened to. These things are being removed from our websites of the government. They are being, our doctors and nurses are being told not to write down, the side effects of things that are happening at the moment. So it's really quite disgraceful behaviour by our medical association and by our government. So we need to be able to navigate this. We need to be able to keep in the now moment. We need to know that I am safe right now. Everything's okay. And as long as we keep that mantra going, we'll be able to move forward and keep our minds open so that information as it comes through, we'll be able to listen and hear, find the truth, and keep ourselves and our loved ones safe. So that's what it's about, navigating through this.